Basically, if you guys have secondary account, you can add that account on your Facebook as well, and you can switch between your two accounts simultaneously easily. That's a new feature added by Facebook, which is called switch account. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step you need to do is make sure to update your Facebook to the latest version, because this is the new feature provided by Facebook. Now for this, first you need to add a secondary account as well. How you guys can do that is click on the menu button at the bottom of your Facebook, click on log out, click on log out. You're gonna log out from your Facebook. Now once you're in your screen, you need to enter your email, passport, log in into it. Once you log in into your Facebook account and log out from it again, it's gonna be added over here, and these are my multiple accounts. Now to switch from your account, you just need to log out and come to this page. Once your account is added over here, just click on the account to which you want to switch, just like this, and you have completely switched. So that's how you guys can switch account on your Facebook. It's that simple. Just make sure to add your account, and switching is that simple. Let me show you. Menu, log out, click on the account, you switch. It's that simple.